Hey everyone, is your Gmail inbox full of newsletters, promotions, or emails you don't need anymore? These emails can quickly pile up and make the inbox cluttered and hard to manage. Today, we will show you how to unsubscribe from emails in Gmail so we can keep our inbox clean and only see messages that are important to us. Unsubscribing from emails in Gmail helps us reduce clutter and take control of our inbox. When we unsubscribe from unwanted mailing lists, we stop those emails from coming in, save time, and avoid getting distracted by constant notifications. This also helps protect our privacy by limiting how often our email address is used for promotions. When we know how to unsubscribe, our inbox becomes more organized and easier to handle. Let's go through the steps together. First, we open our browser. We go to www.gmail.com and we log into our account. After logging into our account, we will see the main page. This is where our inbox is, and we can view all our messages. To unsubscribe from a message, there are two ways. We can hover over the message in the inbox without opening it and click the unsubscribe option. Or we can open the message. At the top near the sender, we will see the unsubscribe button. We click this unsubscribe button. After clicking unsubscribe, we confirm that we want to unsubscribe. An unsubscribe email in Gmail is a feature that allows you to stop receiving newsletters, promotions, or bulk emails from a specific sender directly within the app or website. Clicking unsubscribe next to the sender's name notifies the sender to remove you from their list, typically within a few days. That's it. We have now unsubscribed from that sender. With just a few clicks, we can stop unwanted messages and keep our inbox tidy. If we make it a habit to unsubscribe from emails we don't read, it becomes much easier to manage our messages.